Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And today we're going to make for you some on-chain. So make sure to watch the video, all of it, from the start till the end. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also, like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see, today the market, what it done here at that level here, as you see that green candle here, we came today. That green candle, also we've been talking about that for long now. People, they've been with us for some time now. They remember in here what else we've been saying at that candle like that. When it came a candle inside another one like that. Also we've been saying that is an inside bar. And now the market, it gave us another inside bar in a very, very stronger level here. Because last time from here we bounce up. Now same thing, the market, it gave us here another inside bar in the same level. So now what shall we do? We are going to wait either the market to bounce up from here up, or to come down and to break it down here. That means it's going to continue downward. So everything still going like how us we accepted before. And if you remember what us we saying before in the last video here about that two levels here, as we saying here, I told you here we got the 50 moving average. As you see it, very clear 50 moving average there. And down here is the 200 moving average. Both of them, they are simple moving averages. I told you in yesterday's video, over here buy 20% of your capital. That's what me I told you. For people they been with us from 15k, what it left over, buy from here a little bit, because that the correction as we've been talking about. We told you before there is a correction going to come, and it's going to be the last correction, and I'm going to prove to you why it's going to be the last correction. Forget about everything. All those people they talking online, no one of them is a trader. Majority of them, they just yappy. Let's make it like that. That is going to be the last correction. Go back to the history of Bitcoin. Always before the last jump there is a major correction. That's why I told you, you're buying from here, from that level where we are here, you buying 20% from your capital and you left the rest. If it fall down here, we are going to buy 50% from what it left over from your capital. Remember that. I think everything is too clear, guys, here, so we don't need to make the video too long. So now let's go in to show you the on-chain analysis, why me I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to jump higher. So let's go in there. So the first one is here, the buy flow happening today. So as you see over here that the buy flow happening today only from USDT. As you see it happened 643 million from USDT to Bitcoin, that for all exchanges today. Then it happened here, as you see it, from USD to Bitcoin 214. You need to remember that numbers only we stick only with USDT here, 643. Remember that people will buy today. And here the sell, as you see the sell here is going here. Also what we said, 643. The people who are selling here is 606. That means the buyers, they still higher than the sellers. Also we're talking here about USDT, because USDT is the major fiat currency or the crypto fiat currency. As you see it, everything in front of you guys. Then we got here that TUSD. I don't know which exchange that one. So I think picture is too clear here that, man, people they buying more than the people they selling. Yes, there is a huge number of people selling, but people who are buying is more than people who are selling. Also we stick only with one currency. For pictures to get more clear to you, we stick only with USDT. For pictures to get more clear to you, and as you see here, the US dollar, it's a little bit stable. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go in to show you the second one for pictures to get more clear to you. The second one is that one. is named Rainbow. A lot of people they analyze with it. That one is very simple, the concept of it. When the Bitcoin is enter here in that blue level here, it's highly chance for you to buy there. And as you see it, also we are here at that blue one here. That man, also we are in the bottom of the Bitcoin here. That's why me I told you any correction, try to buy from it. That one, the concept of it is very simple. And as you see it, every time we need to reach the time of that green one, because that green line, that one here, that the halving cycle. And also we are very close to that one here. It's going to be in 2024. And as majority of you, we don't still a lot of months. We are very close to finish the year of 2023. So guys, get prepared. As I've been telling you every time, before the plane take off, you need to be sitting inside that plane and you put in your belt. You can't come too late. People, they came too late. They always missing the plane. Remember that, guys. The third one we got, let me show it to you. That one here is my favorite one. Me, that one I follow it a lot. As you see, it's very simple. If you came down here, as you see down here, we got here like an indicator. When it crossing below that red line here, pause, we started buying. Plus here the color, it needs to be dark green like here, like how where we are now. Now we are the same thing as you see down here. Let's zoom it a little bit for pictures to get more clear to you. As you see here, that one here, it's being below in that red line. Then now it's breaking above here. That's the first sign for us to start buying. But the second sign, what is it? It needs to be the color started changing to dark green. And that's what is it now. Also, we are here in very dark green here. That's why I told you guys, started buying slowly by slowly. And may I give you even the plan how to buy. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's why I'm still believing that the bottom, as you see it every time. Let me show it to you. For pictures to get more clear to you, look here at that level here, when it's crossing below and over here it's being dark green, it's being the bottom like here. Same thing happening here in 2018 and here dark green, it's being the bottom, guys. And the same thing now, also we are in the bottom, guys. That way I told you, started buying slowly by slowly, you are in the bottom, guys. Remember that, you are in very sharp bottom now. Are very close. You don't know when it's going to take off. Don't get misled by some people. They never ever trade. Everything is too clear, guys. Look at that. Very simple. Just that indicator give you everything in front of you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what as we said before, we said we got here a cup and handle and it's getting broke. And that, by the way, that cup and handle, it's bring the take profit of it. Take profit of that one. It used to be just here. It's bring it exactly for us. And we said another price action we got. We said that one here. Said we got here a very clear wage here. Even that one, the take profit of it needs to be down here. And in the last video when we used to be here, I told you guys, try to protect yourself. Why me? I told you guys, try to protect yourself. Because from here, from that level when it's breaking down to here, you are 50% earning till now. So till now, there is nothing new. Also, we still in a short downtrend. And I told you something else here. I told you we got here a very clear Wyckoff pattern, but that Wyckoff pattern it's not complete yet. It's need that one to come to break down here and to do like that. Then after that it's going to fall down. Yeah, no, we still not yet. Maybe from here it's going to give us another price action and to go up and to break for us the last high. That's man, also we're still in an uptrend and the market just gave us high, low, another high. Even that one you need to put it in the side. And I told you something else here in the 4 hours. I told you also we're breaking here the 200 moving average here as you see it. Maybe now also we are going to go to cam here to touch it, because as you remember, people they been with us, they know Monday always the market do against what is going to do all the week. So if it came here in Monday and touching the 200 here, then after that give us another low, breaking that last low here, that means also we are going to go to that level here down. So picture is still very clear, guys. So for swing traders there is no buy yet. Also we're still in a downtrend. Yes, also we are in a very stronger level. Look at it. That one here is a very stronger level. And as you see it, when it touches here, it starts bouncing. But there is no big power. Even if you put in the volume like that, let me show it to you. Look at it. Even those green candles who came today, they haven't breaking here that moving average here. Let's zoom it a little bit for pictures to get more clear to you. As you see, those volume came down here. They haven't broken like those red ones. As you see it, the red ones, they indicating you still in a bear market, but the greens, it's very, very low. That's why me, I'm still believing the market is going to fall down more than that, guys. I think picture is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they say in here. For pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Our indicator, same thing, nothing was changed. We touch in here the oversold area. That normal, we came out from it. But did we break that trend line as we used to have here? That one here, we said this before. No, not yet. So there is no buying yet, guys. There is no price action telling us we need to buy. And the market, it need to give us here a divergence like I would give it to us before here in the top. So till now, we still in the bear control. There is no bulls yet. We are in a downtrend. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. We are in a downtrend. Even if our indicator is touching here, the oversold area, but there is no buying. We need a price action. The most important is the price action. That one is just an oscillator. We don't base our trading on oscillators. And anyone who bases his trading on oscillator, don't follow him. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. It's enter here to the oversold area. Shall we buy? No. We don't need to buy because as us we been teaching you, I'm talking here for people they been with us now near to 1 year. Us we been talking, you need to be in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. And yes, you are in one here. Even in the daily, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Shall you buy? No, there is no buying yet. We need the most important one is the price action. If the market gave us here a double bottom at breaking the neckline, yes, us we are going to buy and we're going to close that short. But if it doesn't, there is no entry long yet, guys. We need to waiting more till the market confirm for us and telling us, because as you see that chart here, it talking to you, it telling you, hey mister, you need to enter short now. Hey mister, you need to enter long now. I don't want to go back and show you where us we started till where we are, but all the price actions were past. It's never ever repent itself. The price action is staying there. The only thing will repent itself is that indicators. That's why me I told you don't follow people they using oscillators or any indicator. Indicators they always lagging and they always repenting themselves. Anyone he told you there is a MACD, tell them see you later. Anyone he told you there is a cross of moving averages, tell him see you later. Because all those things they don't work. Believe me, I've been in this world a lot now, years and years and years. There is no indicator work 100%. Majority of the indicators they work in 30-40%. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the last video, what me I told you. We do like that. Yes or no? We do like that. We said we got here a down channel. What me I told you? I told you if that down channel getting broke, enter long. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. Did that channel getting broke? Look at it. You judge by yourself. Channel is getting broke here. Look where you are. For scalpers and day traders, we'll give you enter long from here, and now you need to protect yourself. Now you need to take some of the profit. Why? Because what is coming tomorrow. Now you can make a trend line like that. A trend line like that, and you wait if it's getting broke down, you enter short. Why should you enter short? I'm going to tell you. For the long, what you need to do. The market try to give you here like a cup and handle, like how you see it here. Very clear cup and handle here. Neckline is here. You wait it if it's getting broke, you enter long, but where it need to be the check profit of you, it's not that much. Just from here to here, maybe. Everything is too clear, guys. For the short, you do the same thing how I show you now. Just come here, you draw in here a trend line like that, and you wait in that trend line. If it's getting broke, you enter short. Because be focused with me here. If you came here, and you connecting that one here with that one here, and you came here down and you do like that, what you got here, you still have here a down channel, guys. That's why I told you if it's breaking for us, the downtrend here, enter short downtrend. You see me how I draw it or no? Look with me here. You came to that one here and that peak here, and you connecting them by two lines like that. Then you waiting the break to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. That's our indicator. Was it saying? Our indicator, as you see, it's enter here to the overbought area. Also, we are in a downtrend, guys. Our indicator is enter here to the overbought area. What should you do? You're looking to enter short level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. You are in it. It's the last time, because over here, when it's breaking here, it go back to test. Now it's need to give you another low to break for you the last low. I just show you how to enter short. Everything is too clear? Well, that's it for that video, guys. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.